Hey everybody, it's Neil. I have the LazyGoose Openear. These are the Bone G2 headphones, and these are good for swimming and whatnot. So let's go ahead and try these things out. I'm not going in the pool at the moment. It's wintertime here. So let's go ahead and see how these look. Ooh, these are nice and light and seem like they're gonna be good. Also inside of here we get okay, we have some earplugs. We have a charging cable, which is going to charge through USB to that little that magnetic one there, so it'll magnetize on there, which is good because it being waterproof, you're not going to want it to open up, so you'll just have to charge it that way. You don't have ports on there. Comes with some headphones, the earplugs, not headphones, earplugs as well. Okay, so this is it here. Let's see. Looks like we've got power over here. Might have to look at the instructions to see which one. Okay, it says it's pairing now, so now I'm gonna go into my, oh, I hear some music playing, but I didn't do that. Bluetooth. And let's see if I can connect up to it. I don't know what it's doing here. One second, let me figure out how to pair this. I'll be right back. Okay, so pairing it, I have to go into, on the thing here, when I first put it on, it started playing music and it's on MP3 mode, so because you can download MP3s to it. But then I double click it and it goes into Bluetooth pairing mode and it pairs as something called the Openear Bone G2. So now if I go into my, let's see, do I have Spotify on here? I do. I can go into my Spotify and I can hear music. So, okay, so I hear it. It sounds pretty good. I mean, it's not gonna sound as good as my AirPods, but it's good. But then it's playing. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Let me turn it way up here. I don't know, but okay. But then it's also waterproof, so watch. I can put it into the water. You can kind of hear it playing in the water. So it plays in the water. Try it off here. But see, that's what's good. And now it's super loud. Oh, I can change it. Oh, I can turn the volume down from here as well. So now I'm listening to a song, but that's cool. I can listen to music while I'm talking to you. Because I can still hear everything perfectly good out of here. This would be great for running or anything like that as well. And it's got a little strap here too, so you can strap this on the back if you want it to hold on a little tighter, so you're kind of giving that as well. So this is kind of the headphones here, but these sound good and they're waterproof and super easy to go. And I think it's got the MP3 mode too, so you could download some songs to it as well. And so this is a nice little setup here. So if you need some bone conduction headphones for running, I do. Well, I haven't done a triathlon again, but I'm gonna try, hopefully do one again soon. So this, and they let you use the music on it as long as there's no cars on the route. I could use this, and I'd be able to listen to this while I'm swimming, while I'm running, while I'm biking. So very cool. So really cool little headphones. So totally awesome. And it lasts for like 10 hours on the batteries too. So these are great. Thumbs up.